That first pitch of the Indians' final home game of the season. We are back in the upper 80s for highs this afternoon under mostly sunny skies. Light breeze out of the east today, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Everybody about 10 degrees above average, up to 89 from Indy to Muncie, Richmond as well, 89 in Greencastle and 90 your high in Shelbyville. Shelbyville got up to 93 yesterday, so we are on the higher end of these temperatures, staying above average. Now getting into the evening tonight, if you're headed up to Ruoff for the Stone Temple Pilots, that's going to be a 7 o'clock start time for that show. The sun will set just before 8 p.m. Watch as temperatures drop pretty rapidly as the sun goes down. We're going to lose that energy, so we'll go from 83 to 78 back to 71 by 10 o'clock tonight, and then eventually during the overnight we are once again looking at outlying locations falling back into the upper 50s, near 60 here in the Indy Metro, 57 up in Kokomo. We've got what we call radiational heating and cooling going on right now because of all the dry air and the dry ground that we have in place. So during the daytime, the sun heats the surface rapidly. We get back to near 90, but then once the sun starts to go down, we see a reversal of that. Quickly, that heat rises back into the atmosphere, and because the air is so dry, doesn't allow for any moisture or any temperature to hold on, so it just quickly drops back off. Kind of similar to if we were out in the desert. We see major temperature swings between the daytime highs and the overnight lows, and that's what we're experiencing right now, which is why it's going to be a cooler start to the day tomorrow, but we are right back in the upper 80s, near 90 for a high on Monday, under that mostly sunny sky, 88 in Indy, potentially back to 91 for a high in Terre Haute tomorrow. Now, we really do need some rain around here, so we are still seeing some moderate drought conditions being reported. Really not seeing much as far as rainfall chances go. It's going to come in Wednesday if we do see any, and it will be with that remnant area of low pressure coming in off the Atlantic. This takes us all the way through 7 a.m. on Wednesday with a stray shower that will be possible, especially for our eastern and southeastern most counties. But even here, you can see we are really lacking moisture with that system. So rain chance going to be pretty few and far between, but it will bring some increased clouds in, which will limit temperatures a little bit.